these pains you feel.
Rumi said,
These pains you feel are messages. Listen to them.
we are so quick to silence pain, to numb it, distract from it, push it aside. But what if pain isn't here to harm you? What if it's here to tell you something? Pain is not just suffering, it's communication. It speaks in tight shoulders, in heavy sighs, in the quiet ache of longing. It asks, where have you been neglecting yourself? What have you been avoiding? The loneliness you feel, it's a call for connection. The restlessness is asking you to move, to change, to grow. The sadness, it's proof of love, of something that mattered. When we ignore pain, it doesn't leave. It waits, it lingers, it finds new ways to be heard. But when we listen, when we sit with it, just for a moment, something shifts. So, I invite you, instead of running, pause. Instead of resisting, ask, what are you here to show me? Because pain is not just suffering, it's a message. And maybe it's time to listen.
Ruminate.
The space between thought and transformation.